It's a frosty January 10th afternoon in 1860, and 800 souls are toiling away in the Pemberton Mill of Lawrence, Massachusetts. The air thrums with the rhythmic clatter of machinery. The floors vibrate beneath their feet. Business as usual in this 5-story monument to industrial progress. But at 4:30 p.m., the usual becomes the unthinkable. A concerning rumble, a shift of the building, an explosion of bricks, and in mere seconds, the crumpling of the colossal structure. A 50-foot-high pyramid of twisted metal lay in the wake, with a 165-year-old lesson in neglect, now still reverberating. Because Pemberton Mill was no accident, it was a culmination of corner-cutting, greed, and willful ignorance that every stakeholder should heed. Specifically, subpar materials. The building's bones were rotten from the start, with faulty iron pillars and mortar that wouldn't inspire confidence on sandcastle duty, let alone a 5-story mill. Rushed construction, because who needs time when there's money to be made? The builders slapped this death trap together faster than you can say textile at 2x speed. Mindless overloading. The owners decided to cram in excess heavy machinery, leaving the weight inside the mill to far exceed its design capacity. The result? 145 lives lost and hundreds more injured in what remains the worst industrial accident in Massachusetts history. And as if the collapse wasn't horrific enough, a fire broke out during rescue efforts, rendering the ruins a hell on earth. Almost just as troubling, despite the fatal outcome and magnitude of recklessness, not a single person faced legal consequences. In AEC, the intersection of human ingenuity and ethical responsibility is profound. Every structure we create stands as a testament to our values, reflecting not only our desire for progress, but also our commitment to safeguarding lives. When we overlook the importance of safety in pursuit of profit, we risk not just buildings, but the very foundations of trust and community. Reality capture and adjacent innovations help us not do that. Modern reality capture technologies, along with robotics, digital twins, drones, AI, and BIM, could have played a crucial role in preventing this tragedy, and therefore myriad tragedies that right now share the very warning signs that inhabited Pemberton Mill in the years leading up to 1860. Photogrammetry and aerial or terrestrial lidar could have created detailed digital models of the building, allowing the identification of structural weaknesses and deformations over time. Advanced simulation software, combined with accurate 3D models within a BIM environment, could have assessed the impact of machinery placement and weight distribution throughout the structure, preventing dangerous overloading. The quality of mortar and other building materials could have been evaluated without compromising the structure. Integrated sensor systems and robotic inspection feeding into a digital twin could have provided continuous data on the building's movement and stress points, alerting managers to potential issues before they became critical. By creating a digital twin of the mill, engineers could have simulated various scenarios and predicted potential failure points, allowing for targeted maintenance and reinforcement. So what's the takeaway from this 19th century horror show? Perhaps it's that when it comes to construction, cutting corners doesn't just cut costs, it cuts lives. And in the grand ledger of history, no profit margin is worth the price paid at Pemberton Mill.